Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, in this video, what I wanted to do was to basically kind of do the same thing I did last video and just do it with a different product so everyone will kind of get the idea of like how to do it. Basically, this is how you can make short form and regular form content with pretty much any product that you want to do affiliate marketing with. You could do it with pretty much anything. So for this example, I am in ClickBank. But before I get started, please like and subscribe, comment. I will be doing more videos, more of these types of videos. Yeah, so I'll have more stuff coming out. This is pretty much brand new channel, so yeah. And then if you wanted to try Pictory, the link is in the description, and you get like a free month. Alright, so what we're going to do here is I decided to just, I went to ClickBank, and I went to the top offers. We did Alkaline last week. I might revisit Alkaline, but in this one, for this one, I wanted to do this one. Acaria juice. So I clicked that, and then that took me here. That took me to their main page, just to get the description and see what it's about, like all of the stuff that's in it. Now this page, it looks like I can't, I tried to, but I couldn't copy the description. Yeah, I couldn't copy the description. A lot of these, if you click on the links and it takes you to their main page, it's, from what I've read and have seen, the reason a lot of like these main sites do that is because Facebook, if somebody's running it through a Facebook ad, Facebook detects that you can just that this is a page, like an affiliate page. So what a lot of people do is they just take screenshots. So when they take a screenshot, you can't copy, you can't just copy it, copy paste. So what I did was I went to Google, and then I found another page. Most likely someone else bought the domain and is running it like if it's the actual one, which is smart. You can do that too. So what I did was I went to that, and then I went to the review. This one, see, I can copy paste. So what I'm going to do here is, just to show everybody, I'm going to, what is this juice? Alright, and go here, and I'm going to copy this. Copy. And then I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to tell it to rewrite. This. Alright. And I'll take this too. Copy. And I'll go to the ingredients. Okay. I'll just do that so far. So that's like the basically description, the description of the product and the ingredients and how you makes you feel basically. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna go to ChatGPT. So you write that. Well, let me see. Well, let's see what it comes out with. And look at that. Just like that. Excellent. Excellent work. So we would just do like a quick little skim of this, and basically right here it's showing you. I told it to rewrite it, but it basically took everything that we already put in and just kind of did its own thing with it. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna take this here. We're gonna copy this here. Copy that. Then we're gonna go to Pictory, and then boom, paste that in Pictory. Nice. Click proceed, and then we just pick which what we want our text to look like. I like to make these like kind of clean for the most part. So I like something just kind of simple. Simple, not too big personally. But basically, yeah. I think I'm going to go with this one. And I'll do, for this example, I'll do 16 by 9. You could do 916. If you're going to do TikTok, we could do 916. So for this would be like more like a YouTube style. So we're going to do YouTube just so everyone can kind of get it. But we could do a TikTok. Especially if we're going to do TikTok and Instagram. You could literally just create your entire social media around just selling these kind of products. You could do like a fitness thing. And then just promote these within your niche. And then just like we did last video, whichever slides we don't like, we could just take them out and replace them. Or if we have our own slides, like if you want to go to get some free slides, just grab them and replace them. But see how like clean the letters are? So that's good stuff. That's good stuff. You can go individually and click each slide. Look at that. This is great. Now if you wanted to, like last time what we did, we went to voice and we added music, but we don't necessarily have to do that. You would just, if you wanted to, you can go to audio and voiceover. So yeah. I mean, this right here is pretty much ready to go. I really don't even have to do anything, really. Wow. Just go to preview. It'll preview the whole thing. And then just like that, this video is pretty much ready to go. If, like I said, if you wanted to, you can just go and... Excellent. We didn't put any subtitles in, like any audio. Yeah, you guys get it. I mean, just like that. I mean, the video is pretty much ready to go. Like, we could just remove the music. This music was just the one that it already was under suggested, and it just automatically put it on there. But you could just change the music, or you could just remove the music completely, or you can add your own music. So yeah, this is pretty sweet. Right now I'm using the free version to remove the story blocks and the pictory watermarks. You have to just upgrade to the full version, which is what, like $30, $20 a month, I believe. But yeah, for this particular example, I was just using the free version. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So with this method, you can create entire social medias around affiliate products for anything you want. In the next video, we're going to do something different. Maybe we'll get out of the health niche and try something else. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. All right, guys. That's it for this one, and I will be back soon with another video. Peace.